What's up, man?
Just bugging.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Today we're digging in the Just Buggin Archives, and we're taking it back to February of this year, where we took PeeWee to the Spanish Springs car show. Hey man, so where are we at? We're at Spanish Springs, right?
Yeah, for a car show. All kinds of car show.
Yeah.
There's usually about 300 cars here, so it's a great event.
Yeah.
Real nice atmosphere.
But if you're wondering why we got PeeWee,
Yeah,
Maureen and Sam are on vacation,
We're
right?
going on a cruise.
Yeah, nice.
And we said we were bringing it back just to hook up some speakers. We've got the one here, but we still don't have the panel.
And we got the EMPI electrical wire cover right there. And then we got one speaker installed in there.
New emblem on the hood, finally.
Yeah, new emblem.
Yeah.
Radio's hooked up.
Yep.
Yeah, we're still waiting on the cover for the back. She did buy a little bit longer seat belts. We will be installing those.
Yeah, just some adjustments that need to be made.
And then we got blaze cut.
Yeah.
Halon system, which it's not actually Halon, but you know.
Sticker back there.
Yeah, see? Check it out. Every VW should have blaze cut and a fire extinguisher, right?
Right, so we gave it a valve adjustment, changed the fuel filter. It's about that time since the break-in, 500 miles or less.
And as you guys see, we got another VW right there, which you'll see the whole tour of that later.
Yep.
That'll be a future video.
Greg.
Yeah, it's another Greg.
It's my Holland kit on it.
Yeah,
So we'll be discussing that.
PeeWee's looking good. You know, we got a bunch of different rides here. I mean, we got Mustangs, we got MGs, we got Cadillacs, we got Corvettes, you got everything you possibly think of. So we're just all sitting here waiting until everybody gets here and all lined up.
Goes in, they have the vintage car club. They get first dibs on the spots around the square.
Yeah, but you know, Maureen said, hey, you know what? Since you got PeeWee and you got everything done, take her out, have a little good time. Hey, look, Just Buggin. Hey, look, Chad's here.
Number one fan, guys.
Well, guys, stay tuned. Just Buggin. We're all getting lined up, and then we're gonna go in. Well, here we go.
Yep.
Woohoo!
Time to go get in position.
Yeah, in position. That is a nice paint job.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Chopped off. That's cool. No trim.
Boy, oh boy.
Nice ride.
Nice ride. Man, we had one. Oh, hey, they almost hit each other over here.
Oh, no, they're playing.
Oh. Hey, man, look at that thing.
Yeah.
Woo!
Dropped and chopped.
Yeah, and we got a Jeepster here too. And then we got a, what, 65 Mustang, it looks like, something like that.
I love that.
Yeah?
Step on there. Step on there. Step back.
Mind you, I washed it. I didn't vacuum it because I figured it was going to get dirty and we got a little bit mats in here, but I did not wipe the windows. So PeeWee's just coming because PeeWee likes attention.
Yes.
Even if she ain't all clean.
Coming.
Maureen is coming?
Yeah, she just was asking when.
Thought she was on a trip.
Leave till Tuesday.
Oh.
She just wanted to bring it early. She goes, are you all at Spanish Springs? And I said, we're still waiting in the staging area. It takes a while to park 300 cars and they back them all in.
And we're non-residents, so non-residents get last pick. Stay tuned.
Outsiders.
We're outsiders.
Yeah, like the movie, The Outsiders. Matt Dillon. Yeah, Matt Dillon. Patrick Swayze was in it.
Hey man, so we got PeeWee over here. It's getting tons of reactions and everything.
Spring Square.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah.
A lot of reactions, a lot of stories.
A lot of stories. There was one lady that came up to us and said she had a 62 Beetle, 63 Beetle, and a 68 Squareback, and a 64. So there's a lot of people that have VW stories out here, and it's taking them back to the good old days.
Yeah.
So, hey, look who it is. It's Sam. Hey, didn't we ran into him at the last Spanish Spring show.
Hey guys, and if you don't know, this is Sam. Sam that owned the 1970 convertible Beetle, the yellow one, where he's got the two gears that we flip-flop the bodies. Don't wash it. He didn't wipe off his spots off. So.
Hey.
You can see us
I'm in trouble.
right now. Like you can see us.
Hey, I was tired. I was editing last night. Oh, look at PeeWee. It's a 61 Ragtop, one owner. The owner will be here soon. Took us 9 months to restore it, and we filmed and documented the whole process.
9 months, huh?
9 months.
Actually,
Well, me and my father and Chad right here restored it. The owner will be here soon, but it's a 1961 Ragtop. It's a one-owner car.
Yeah.
Our father bought it for $800 to take to Missouri State College. The original sticker's on the back window, but we're in the process of recreating it since it's deteriorating. But yeah, it took 9 months to restore it.
Is it for sale?
No. Thank you. Thank you. Meet PeeWee, the 61 Ragtop. Thank you.
I got a 73 Super Beetle.
Nice.
They had a 66 bus.
Oh, wow. That's sweet. Yeah, my first Beetle was a 72, and then now I have a 66 wannabe, which is a 73 converted to look like a 66. Thank you. Took us 9 months to restore it. Hey, man. Look who's here. It's Maureen and Sam. What's up, Sam? What's up, man? Hey, nice to see you guys. PeeWee's getting a lot of attention. Let me just tell you that. We've heard a bunch of stories about different VWs people have owned, so that's really cool.
Got his emblem on now.
Yes, yes. Nice emblem. I did wash it, but I didn't get a chance to dry it, and I didn't get a chance to wipe the windows down or vacuum it. I'm sorry. But hey, look, blaze cut.
Was that the blaze cut?
Yep, and you got a little warning sticker too, showing you had blaze cut. Now you're safe.
Right?
Hey, Mom. So what we got right here?
A 302 Bronco. It's beautiful. I'm not sure what year it is, but it's gorgeous.
Let's go check it out. I like that. Bronchitis.
It's a 73.
73. Check it out. Beautiful. Check it out. Look what we got right here. We got a Road Runner. Check it out. Look at that beautiful blue interior. Well guys, PeeWee has done amazing. I don't have too much footage of all the reactions, but we've had, I can't even count how many people we've had come up today and tell us stories about many different VWs they've owned over the years, and that this vehicle takes them back to the good old days. And you know, that's the whole goal of Just Buggin', guys. So I'm telling you, definitely show PeeWee some love. PeeWee hopefully will win an award tonight. It's a possibility. Thanks everybody out here for showing tons of love. I mean, we've at least had, I've talked to at least probably 100 something people today, and that stereo is so nice. It's sweet to have the original look and have Bluetooth. Just Buggin'. Go check us out. Well guys, the show's over. It's a little dark. We didn't happen to win an award, but it don't matter. We're not here for that. We're here to meet a bunch of different people, talk with a bunch of different people, learn their VW stories, and have a great time. And that's exactly what we did. But yeah, guys, we're headed home. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What is that?
Is that from Olli in Germany?
Yeah.
From across the way.
That's the Emblem.
Yeah. Now, before you go open it, how I met Olli. So, backstory. So I just so happened to see Olli. He was on Facebook and he posted a picture of these logos he makes. Emblem. Yeah. And I was like, you know what? That is really cool. And I just so happened to see that he posted Volkslife music video onto the comment section.
Good music.
Great music. I said, hey man, can you put me in contact with Dino? And now we're great friends, which is great. And also, he told me, he said, hey man, do you want a logo? Pick out of all these different designs, or an emblem, should I say. And so I picked one that I think is very suiting for the Volkslife, with the vibes of Darren, Dino.
He knows
and
what
also,
it looks like. We don't.
yeah, I know what it looks like. They don't. So
What we got?
let's see what we got right here.
I'm dying to see it.
Oh, okay.
Look at
Volkslife.
Living the Volkslife.
The Volkslife.
Living the bug life. We running plastic.
Living the dub life.
Yeah.
Living the folks life.
That is cool.
Hell yeah.
Just in time. It's about to rain.
Yeah, so we're going to take the VW logo off at some point and put that on there.
Check it
Does it
out.
have a little tabs on the back?
No, I think you got to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think you got to glue it.
Check it out, guys. Y'all want to get one? Better get yours.
Yeah. Hell yeah, I'll leave his links down in the description. He's got many different designs. I went like this since we always do that. And gotta have Volkslife, reppin' Dino.
Yeah.
Shipped out of Germany, so if you guys would like one, assuming this is his card too, and it's a sticker it looks like.
Yes.
Check him out.
Love it, man.
All the way from
Thanks,
Germany.
Olli.
Yeah,
Appreciate
living the
that. All the way
Volkslife.
from Germany. It's
Oh,
authentic.
yeah. See, check it out, Kevin. I got German friends, too. And you're not the only one.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, show some love and support by dropping a like, leaving a comment of what your favorite part of the video was, or what your favorite vehicle was that I showed, and also hit that subscribe button and share if you'd like to bring some more love. Check out everybody's links down in the description for the Vintage Car Club, and also stay tuned for their monthly car shows, and definitely go check out Olli's link down in the description, and go get you a sweet emblem for your VW. And we're almost there, guys. Once we hit 2,000 subscribers, we will do another giveaway. Thanks for watching, and have a Just Buggin of a day.